Hello guys, you are watching a little bit computer. Today I am gonna show you how to make a colorful square by using the scratch. So let's see. In the corner here is given add extension. Simply click on it. And then you can see here pen, draw with your sprites. This is the pen extension. Simply click on it. Then you can see here all the blocks categories of the pen blocks will be opened here. Erase all, stamp, pen down, pen up. So now we have to make the colorful square, then we will program for it. Simply click on the set pen size to. Click set pen size to, and before it you have to simply click the pen down. First click the pen down, then click the set pen size to. Here you can make it 10. Then press enter. Now we have to use the change pen by. So we will click it and drop onto the script area. Now here you can make 10 degrees also making, so you don't need to change it. Now what we have to do, simply we have to click on the motion blocks categories, then all blocks categories will be opened here. Simply click on the move 10 steps and drop onto the script area, and here we will make a 100 steps and then press enter. Now we will use the turn stack, drag and drop onto the script area. Here we will make a 90 degree. Now we have to make the colorful square, then simply click here. You can see look at here is making the colorful square. Let's see. So this is the colorful square. So this is the basic of scratch. Thanks for watching a little bit computer.